And next to another developing story, U.S. commandos deep inside Syria taking out a senior ISIS leader. Tonight, ABC's Terry Moran with details on that raid and what American forces found that could unlock secrets about this terrorist group.
The daring raid happened overnight. Elite Delta Force troops taking off from Iraq aboard Black Hawk helicopters and V-22 Ospreys headed deep into Syria. Their mission, capture and interrogate Abu Sayyaf, a key ISIS leader according to U.S. intelligence, the top money man in charge of ISIS's multi-million-dollar black market oil and gas sales.
This is not just another person. Their revenue streams are extremely important for their survival.
A counterterrorism official tells ABC News Sayyaf is also suspected to be the ISIS leader who had been given American hostage Kayla Mueller, killed in Syria in February as a forced bride or slave. On the ground at Sayyaf's house, a fierce firefight. ISIS fighters defending the building, using women and children as human shields, the Pentagon says. Delta Force commandos pushing forward. At times, the combat was so close, it was hand-to-hand fighting. Abu Sayyaf killed in the firefight, along with a dozen ISIS fighters. Sayyaf's wife captured and held for questioning. All American personnel returned safely after scooping up laptop computers that could prove to be an intelligence windfall. All in all, a significant success.
It should have a large psychological impact on ISIS, that we can go ahead and do raids anywhere we want and take out their key leaders when we want to do it.
ISIS has been making gains on the battlefields in Iraq and Syria in recent weeks, and this raid won't reverse those gains, but it might make ISIS leaders sleep a little less easy at night.